Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix where the Microsoft Store error encountered on your Windows. So while you are on your Microsoft Store trying to download your favorite applications, games, and movies, and you encounter this error message, error encountered, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So first is we need to click on the start button and go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on apps, installed apps, wait for all the applications to load, then type in the search bar store, then click on system components. Now you'll find Microsoft Store. Click on these three dots and then select advanced options. Now background component permissions, make sure you're not going to choose never. Then you'll find this repair button. If the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system component's data won't be affected. Click on repair. Now, after you have clicked on repair, launch the Microsoft Store and try to see if the problem has been fixed. But still, if it isn't, then go back to the same Microsoft Store app settings and click on the reset button. And then this will permanently delete the system components data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Click on reset button. Now once done, just close this window and I suggest that you need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. For the next method is we're going to again click on the start button and go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, go to system. Scroll down and look for troubleshoot. Click on that. You will find other troubleshooters. Now you'll find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So you have to click on the Run button that corresponds to Windows Update. So running the Windows Update troubleshooter, this will help you detect and spot the problems that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, it will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends in order to fix the issue that you are facing. Then close this. Now for the next method is we also need to make sure that our Windows is updated, as also outdated Windows can cause any issues on your Windows. So you have to click on the start button and go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, go for Windows Update and simply click what it suggests right here. So if it states that check for updates, download and install updates, restart now or retry all, then you just go ahead and click on that. Now, once you have updated your Windows, for the final method is we are going to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. Best match, click on that. Now, here in the list of services, we need to scroll down to W, as these are arranged in alphabetical order, and look for the Windows Update service, this one. Make a right click and then select Properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic. If this is already running, click on stop. And then start it again to restart the service. Now once done, you just have to click on apply and then OK, and then close the services window, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. And after restarting your Windows, launch and open the Microsoft Store and continue downloading your favorite apps and games on the Microsoft Store. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.